patient, Romy. What's the problem you have? Well, my head does something rare. When I get out to take some sunlight, my head always gets itchy. Your head gets itchy when you get outside, right? Yes, to take sunlight. Wait, let me see it. Let me see that. I know what you have. You have a sunlight box. What is that? It's a type of box that eat your skin when there's sunlight. You use the shampoo every time you take a shower, and this book instructions so that doesn't happen again, miss. I just hope it works. That will be 20 train coins. Hey, here you go. Thanks. Thanks, sir. No problem, miss. In Romy's house? Alright, Shampoo, please don't fail me. I'm burning! Thanks for that, Shampoo. I hurt my beautiful eyes. Alright, let's see if this book has something to help me. Alright, let's see. Okay. Steps to not get the sunlight box. Step 1, eat healthier. Step 2, not be a chain! What? Give me my money back! Wait, we only talking about best. I need to tell you something. I give you the wrong bottle. The bottle I gave you was a poison that can go through the skin and make the organs swell way too much. I gave you the wrong bottle. What does that mean? It's too late. I still want my money back.